Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, guys, Scorpios. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. So you can contact her if you are interested. I'll be sharing her link in the description, Scorpios. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Chariot, 10 of Earth, and 7 of Earth. So Scorpios, in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or in your work circumstances, you are really happy, you have that contentment because you are making a very important choice today. So whatever needs to be done, you are trying to do that, and you're working with that confidence, determination, and perseverance. And you know that you have the skills and talents, and universe is guiding you towards something really good today. Maybe you would have seen some negative circumstance, something would have not happened as you have hoped for. Some kind of negative circumstances would have been there in your life. You would have faced some failures in your career or face some difficulties in your relationship. But today you are having that inspiration overwhelming you, guiding you in the right way. You are making an important choice today, and you have great faith and hope in yourself. Hope for a better future, for a better change, positive change coming in your life. And your vision is different today. In this relationship, that may be the energy here. You are thinking differently, you are seeing things differently, and that may be the reason you have a better understanding with this person. Things may work well. Maybe you would have had some argument or some stressful circumstance. Whatever it may be, all that is going to change today. And all the troubles or obstacles, whatever you faced, you have that strength, determination to overcome that. And you know the truth today, a better understanding with this person, and you are going to see beautiful changes in this relationship, Scorpios. So we will see what is the card for your relationship. It's 10 of Fire. So we have 10 cards here. It just means that you are moving towards a better understanding. Maybe whatever was not working in this relationship, you are clearing all that up. Maybe clearing all that toxic energy. Maybe you were arguing with this person, fighting over something. Maybe they were arguing with you, fighting over something. Whatever it was, you have a beautiful understanding today, and you are working towards that. And it may be quite an emotional time for you today, Scorpios. And Scorpios, you are someone really sensitive. So even without this person telling you what is there in their heart, you may understand it. That may be the reason for your heightened emotions, heightened emotional state today. And whatever it is, you may be emotional or stressed, whatever it may be, no more disappointments, no more troubles. That is what I see, guys, Scorpio. So in your relationship, you are moving towards a better understanding. Things are resolving. And maybe if you are in separation, you are moving towards reconciliation. It may be an emotional reconciliation today for you, Scorpios. So for your career situation, we will see what is the card. It is 5 of Fire. So with this card, maybe you are finding the right way to build that team spirit, having a good communication with people. Your vision may be different and the people you work with, their vision may be different. But whatever it is, you are trying to find that balance, appreciating each other's ideas and working as a team. That is what is helping you today, Scorpios. So that is the reading with these cards, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. Hello. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card for you all. So before we see this card, I will keep the second card. Snow White, Purity. So with this card, it just means that you are a very kind and compassionate soul, and maybe your circumstances, maybe you have seen a lot of struggles, a lot of stress, and people have rejected you, and there were a lot of jealousy or envy towards you. Whatever toxic emotions or toxic reactions were shown to you, you are someone pure of heart and you are good to everyone. You never show anything bad to anyone, and you do not react in a bad way. You are a person who is a pure soul, a pure heart. Or maybe there is someone like that and this person is going through a lot of trials, lot of difficulties, but it may be quite painful to go through this circumstance right now for you or for this person you have in your life. But you need to understand that you are going to be triumphant and successful, and goodness will always be rewarded. Kindness will always succeed. So you are a person who is kind, compassionate, never showing any negative emotions towards people, never reacting in a bad way, and you are surviving great tests today. So you are going through a lot. So these experiences are giving you a lot of knowledge, making you mature and making you ripe with that divine knowledge. That is the reason you have these experiences, and these experiences are nothing compared to the depth of your good soul. So whatever may come, it's not going to change you for what you are, for that pure hearted person you are. So that is the energy here, guys, with this card. So you can be happy for that. You can tread on your life path, thinking of yourself, appreciating the good qualities that you have, and being courageous and being strong and determined to walk on this path of life with honesty and with compassion and staying strong in your path. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we will see what is the card from nothing to everything. So with this card, for those who chose this card, maybe this oracle card is telling you to let go of that attachment you have over something, maybe over a person, maybe this person you love, some kind of an obsession, some kind of an attachment over your expectations or your dreams, maybe in your career. Maybe you want your dream job and you have certain expectations and you are working towards that. But today, maybe something much better than your dreams is waiting to unfold today. All you need to do is just let go of this expectation. And we need to surrender that story or fantasy we have in our mind, which we go through very often in our mind, because reality is knocking our doors and it is waiting to unfold, and it will be the best thing that can happen for us when universe is guiding those opportunities or the love of our life towards us. So maybe we are obsessed over this person we have with us right now. So our obsession is the reason for something better not unfolding in our life. So when we give up this attachment and when we give up that expectation, we can stop dreaming but start living that dream today. So that is in our hands, guys. So you need to give up all fear. Give up fear in this process. Maybe there may be some changes happening, and you need to embrace these changes without expectations. Trust in yourself, trust in that divine spirit in you, and you will see that your fantasy is leading you towards fulfillment. All your dreams and plans, whatever you had, if you give up that expectation, it is going to manifest into reality, into your reality, and it is waiting to manifest. And you are pushing it away because of those expectations and attachment. So you need to give up that. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.